Welcome to the Government Retirement and Benefits Platform. The GRB platform is an enterprise system that provides federal employees with access to information regarding government-wide benefit programs such as health insurance, life insurance, the Thrift Savings Plan, retirement, and more. You can review the coverage for each benefit you're enrolled in, as well as other benefits you may want to take advantage of in the future. Additionally, the GRB platform contains a variety of resources and tools such as benefit program documentation, fact sheets, informational videos, electronic forms, calculators, and links to external websites. The GRB platform uses information from your agency's personnel and payroll system, and depending on how your agency has configured the system, you may also be able to enroll or change your enrollment for certain benefits, as well as apply for retirement online. This video is designed to highlight some of the key features contained within the system and how to access them. After logging into the GRB platform, you initially arrive at the landing page. Here you see a number of tiles, with each tile representing a specific federal benefit program. To access information about a program, simply click the tile, and it will expand to fill the window. In this case, we've selected the health insurance tile. Displayed across the top is the name of the benefit program, and below there's a brief description with information such as program features, who is eligible, when you can enroll, and who administers the program. Below the description is an area that contains your personal enrollment information, as well as any costs or premiums associated with the program. There are two additional areas at the bottom, titled Transactions and Resources. The Transactions area may display differently depending on how your agency has configured the GRB platform. If your agency is using another system or method for enrollment, then this area will display information about how to enroll or change your enrollment. When the GRB platform is configured to perform enrollment transactions, you will see a list with summary information about your previous transactions. By clicking on a transaction, you can view the details as well as print a copy of the electronically signed enrollment form. When you need to submit a new transaction for a benefit program, click on the Submit a Transaction link, and you will be guided through the process. The Resources area contains a scrollable list of videos, documents, forms, and links that are relevant to the benefit program. Click on an item to access it. Each item will appear in a separate window. Let's look at another benefit program. As you can see, the life insurance tile is laid out in a similar fashion. Some tiles may have additional features such as tools or calculators. When you click on a tool, you receive information about the tool and how to use it. Now let's turn our attention to the upper right-hand corner where your total compensation statement is located. Click the link, and your statement will display in a printable PDF format. The first page of the statement provides you with summary information that includes your current salary as well as the cost of the benefit programs for which your agency pays or contributes. Subsequent pages of the statement describe each benefit program and provide details about your enrollment similar to the information contained on each of the benefit program tiles. Your total compensation statement is automatically updated whenever changes occur. Finally, let's look at some additional features located on the drop-down menu at the very top of the page. The menu can be opened by clicking on the menu icon. The Request menu item is a powerful feature that allows you to make benefits-related requests of your Human Resources Office and receive a response directly through this system. Here you can view a list of previous requests and their status. By clicking on a request, you can see the details as well as any response that has been provided. To create a new request, click on the Submit a New Request link at the top, and you will be guided through the process. The Documents menu item displays a list of any documents you have added to the system. Documents may be added for a variety of reasons. For instance, you may be requested to supply documentation in support of a benefit election based on a qualifying life event. By using this feature, you can load a PDF or scanned image file, such as the marriage certificate shown here. Your Human Resources Office will be able to view all documents that you add to the system. The Account menu item allows you to change the password you use for accessing the system. This item may be disabled in the event you are accessing the GRB platform through a single sign-on service, such as with a Common Access card or a Personal Identity Verification card. The Resource Library menu item displays a list of all of the resource items contained within the system. This list can be browsed or filtered to help find what you're looking for. Lastly, this video can be accessed from the drop-down menu whenever needed. This concludes an overview of the GRB platform.